We can also iterate using for loop. Okay, so we can access each and every element in the one-dimensional array with the help of for loop, and we can display them, in fact, using for loop. So let's consider an example related to this. Consider a one-dimensional array, and we are going to iterate this entire one-dimensional array using for loop. So np dot array of, let's take elements as 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. These are the elements inside array. Now using for loop, we can access like this: for I in, name of the array is ARR, and now we can display it, right? Print of I. So let's execute and see this. All the elements inside this one-dimensional array are displayed with the help of for loop by iterating over this array. Okay,